making hits.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing some Popsmoke Braids. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click that like button. Dang, he over there talking over me. I'm trying to do this while I'm at work, y'all. But if y'all enjoy the video, go ahead and like it, subscribe if you mess with me, you know what I'm saying. But so I'm parting down the middle. Y'all bear with me, these parts is terrible. I couldn't see, I was just using my fingers as my guide, but that's just what I had to do. It's my first time doing it, so bear with me. But so I'm going down the middle, then I use the Shining Jam, the red one. Extra hold. And I use it to at least do something with the part, at least help me with some. It didn't really, do too much, but it did some. But I'm gonna come back when I show y'all the parts that I had conjured up, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so y'all seen my doctored up parts, you know what I'm saying? But that's my little rack I use to separate the hair, to help me feed in the hair. So I started off by, putting a little extra Shining Jam on the outside of my braids, like both sides, so it'll help me slick it in better. Cause if you don't use it and then you try to braid, it's like the hair go all over the place when you're trying to braid. So you just want your hair to go all in one direction. So it's better to just go ahead and comb. You see, I try to comb some baby hairs. I didn't even use those. Y'all know I don't mess with them baby hairs, so that's over with. So this part was tricky to me. When I was sectioning and ready to start, it was like when I was pulling the hair and trying to, add it in, it felt like I was doing it right. But once I started getting down to the ends, it was like trying to add that extra piece of hair to make it longer. It was like, I don't know, I may have not measured it right, because it got real skinny at the ends. But I feel like I probably needed to make the pieces a little bit bigger, so it won't do that. But, lesson learned. Next time it'll be better. And don't be minding my faces, because I be looking crazy, y'all. When I be doing my hair, I be making these weird faces. I be all over the place. Be looking like Uncle Ruckus off of Boondocks. Like, y'all, I be looking crazy. Okay, so don't be laughing at me. So that's my first braid. Then I'm gonna come back when I have at least 1 or 2 braids left. But yeah, that's my first braid. took about 3.5 hours, maybe 4 hours. But I'll holler back at y'all in my next video. Thank you for your support. See ya.